I just cleaned this catfish with a pressure washer. This is gonna be all dinner for tonight. Hello guys, welcome back to my channel. I haven't fished for a while, but my friend brought me about 7-pound catfish yesterday. So I'm gonna clean it today using my pressure washer. Now pull out my water line here, cotton hose, pull this out. This is the pressure washer I'm gonna be using to clean my catfish. Now I'm gonna connect the gun. I'll be using the turbo nozzle to spray. Tight in place. Now I'm gonna turn on the water. Here's a trick to easy start your power washer. Spray this and get some water into the line before you start up the machine. Now I gotta turn this on and pull this one out to start the engine. I'm just gonna pull on this. Here's the fish in the cooler. We're gonna see how heavy it is. Um, 11 pounds. You can see how slimy the fish is. Now I will sharpen my cleaver knife to clean the fish. I will start off cutting off all the fins. The side fin is so hard I couldn't cut it.
một chỗ. Chỉ có nấu canh chua hay là kho thì gắp ra được tí thịt nào gắp thôi.
I will cut off the tail to saute it later, and then cut up the stomach and take out all the intestine. Cutting out that private part, pulling out all the gut. Like this, the bladder right here. I don't wanna break that. I need to cut through it gill in order to pull out the gut. You can find this scissor at the Asian market. It's much easier and sharper to clean the fish than the one that you find in the fishing store. To support my channel grow, please use the Amazon links in my video description to purchase your other items. Don't forget to hit that like button, subscribe, and drop me a comment. When cutting up the fish in big chunk like this, it's really useful to use a mallet and a cleaver to cut off the big bones. Nói gì? Cá thì bắt cá nó mới gì nói gì? Now we're gonna chop the head off. Gonna toss the head away. Đầu vứt vào. Now I need to cut off this hot fin right here. If you have any better suggestion to cut this off on these fish, let me know. My mom want me to cut this in half so we can bake it.
Cái mang của nó đấy, cách đứt rời cái mang cái ra luôn, thế là nó mới vào bên chua. Mình nấu được, mình làm được, chứ còn có cái đó là không có làm được, vừa rồi. Cắt cái đấy ạ.
Chưa, thêm nữa.
Thì có phải cắt rời ra chứ con, phải lấy hẳn cái ra chứ, lấy hẳn cái miếng ra, hai miếng ra, cho vào nấu với canh chua.
Cắt bỏ này ra cái gì?
Cắt bỏ.
Gonna cut this into 4 pieces. Later on we're gonna cook it sweet and sour soup, canh chua. You got the tail steam already with onion and ginger and root beer leaf, and the other half of the head is steaming right now. This is the secret sauce that my mom made, mixed with green onion, ginger, and I think soy sauce and oyster sauce in here. And then we're just gonna dress it over the steamed fish. We will serve this in a spring roll style and dipping the fish sauce. For me, the fast method to eat is lettuce, got a fish, cucumber, and noodle down here, along with sweet and sour fish sauce. Alright, thanks for tuning in, guys. Stay tuned that next week, Wednesday, I'm gonna be going out to Shell Beach. We're gonna camp there overnight and then going out to fish at the oil rig at 5 a.m. Through the afternoon for a fishing rodeo event.